Hey everybody, Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your Sunday with DWG outlook for the week of December 6th. And I'm sorry, I'm like flopping here. I'm going to try to do this in under 10 minutes so you're not listening for an extended period and I can do it in that time frame. I think this week's going to bring we're going to start off mild. Today was very nice. And then tomorrow is going to be warmer with some rain. And then we bring in cold air behind that. It's a warm front, so it's warm going over cooler air and then bringing colder air behind it. Then Tuesday 41, Wednesday 39, Thursday 40, and then we're back up for next weekend. But before that, we could see our first, we could see our first minor snow system of the year. And my storm signal date is the 8th of December. And generally, it looks something like this. Let me run this through. Okay, so here's our system for tomorrow. Moisture from the southwest pumps up temperatures ahead of it, and then we get some, steady rain. Nothing to write home about. The heavier rain is north of us, and some colder air is getting into that, and you can see that rushing into this system. Okay, so that's going to be the kind of the setup for Wednesday. And when I show you, it doesn't look like much. So high pressure moves in. Now, this system looks like essentially nothing. I wouldn't even make any mention of anything unless it turned into something substantive. So this little system, this little wave comes through, and it looks innocent enough, and everybody's like, "Ho hum," you know. But we have this little low off the Carolina coast, the Virginia coast, start to form off of Hatteras, and this is going to do is strengthen this system and create a heavier shield of precipitation. So now you have sort of a joined system, and if it comes in the evening hours, which is it's supposed to be, and there's enough cold air around and there's precipitation around, then we could see some snow action on Tuesday night. Now there's a high pressure, it's off the map here, but it is funneling cold air down sort of the spine of the Appalachians. So it's containing that cold air. It's holding that cold air in. And perhaps if this were, next month or even February, we'd be talking more of a bigger system. But it's also progressive, so it's going to come in and it's going to go out, and it's going to get stronger as it goes up the out into the Atlantic and up the coast. So areas such as coastal Maine, coastal Massachusetts, coastal Connecticut, and parts of Long Island probably will see heavier snows Tuesday into Wednesday. So I want to caution, it's a storm signal, yes, but it's not. This time of season, it's still a little bit too warm. The ground temperatures could still be too warm for it to stick. It has to come down hard. So all those factors combined, I mean, this is kind of what we would be looking at in terms of numbers. And I know that's really what most people just care about. And we're talking a general inch to 2 inches to 3 inches in the general area, in the general vicinity. So If we get anything, it's not going to be that substantial, but it will add to the Christmas spirit. And who is going to argue with that, right? So this is our weather for the next few days. Our storm signal date is the 8th. And we'll see how it plays out in the next couple days, and I'll update you as needed. Brandon Doherty, Dale, Weather Guy, thanks for spending Sunday with me. Adios.